Okay, so it's Saturday. Me and Joey got bored.
Look at all the fucking birds. We're gonna run through it.
We walked parking lot. That awkward noise in the background may or may not be the death of us. This is Thomas Mary. Just in case we do die. There's a lot of fucking birds out here. We're about to flail through a huge portion of fucking seagulls, geese, ducks, you name it.
Not to mention fucking die.
I think there's a herring or two.
Okay, bro, you ready?
No, I'm not ready. Not yet. You have to get closer.
Okay, well then come on.
That flat spot right there.
Let's go.
Okay, you ready? See, I'm keeping everybody in distance.
Yeah, right. You're making me go first.
Yeah, I know. You go first. You make this fucking first.
Yeah, fuck you. Bro.
Fucking scary. I'm actually fucking nervous right now.
Me too. I'm scared. Just look at all the fucking birds. It's fucking ridiculous. Come on, bro. Come on. Where are we going? Which way?
I don't know. I think we should go this way.
Really? We should go towards the path. Go! Ah!
I'm actually nervous.
Me too! Ah! I'm surprised we haven't got shit on! Ah! They're shitting! Oh, it's coming for you, bro. And that's the adventure through the birds. Damn. Fuck yeah.